It should not feel like a constant battle against Meta just to run your funding and credit bureau ads. But understandably, we're in a high-risk industry. So this video is for you. Do not skip this. I have a 3-part solution to make sure you never get restricted. The number one thing that really gets restricted on your account is usually like your Facebook profile. That's what goes down first. So what you need to make sure is that first you need to have redundancies. In your business manager, you need to make sure that you have more than 2 business admins. For example, your Facebook profile, maybe your Instagram, but you can't run ads and look at your ad account just by signing into your Instagram. So you need to have a spouse, significant other, a business partner, somebody that you really trust to also be an actual admin of your business manager. This way that if your Facebook profile goes down, you can still manage, view, and edit and optimize your ad account. Number 2 is you need to make sure that you develop good relationships with Meta support. It sounds crazy because these are some random Joe Schmoes in Pakistan, Philippines, wherever these people are. And sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I really do not like them. But what I am saying is that every now and then we come across some Meta Pro that's actually helpful. Those people, we need to save their emails. And those people, we need to make sure that we nurture these type of relationships because they are humans. There are certain standards that these people can really do, but because they are humans, they will understand and they'll put their best foot forward to make sure that you don't get restricted or you get back access. These people, again, are humans. They have things I call like pity, in which case they will go out of their way to make sure that they help you. So start developing those relationships now, start nurturing those people so you always have those people in your back pocket. Number 3 is that you need to make sure you go through the proper Meta verification procedure. In which case, domain needs to be verified, email needs to be verified, your business needs to be verified. You need to make sure that your Instagram, Facebook, dataset, ad account are all connected. Under business profile, you need to make sure that you have all your information filled out over there in terms of like your address, verified email, EIN letter, and number. You need to have a primary page to your business account. You need to make sure that every single admin is not using a Gmail account. You need to use an actual business account. And you need to make sure all admins have 2FA, two-factor authentication, on. Make sure you also Meta verified so that if something does happen, you have instant access to customer support as well too. And now for my bonus that we all need to understand is that we are in a high-risk industry. And we're talking about credit bureau and funding here, guys. With that being said, you cannot offer guarantees. I mean, yeah, you can offer a refund guarantee, 100% satisfaction guarantee, but when it comes to actually, yeah, I can guarantee you 100K in funding, that does not work. You'll get shut down. Or if you say things like, I can guarantee a certain amount of point increase within a certain time period, that will get you shut down so freaking quick. And understand too that the AI is incredibly smart. So even on your website, the AI is going to scan your website. And if you start offering those type of guarantees, they will shut down your stuff. So guys, keep those things in mind. And if you want the guide, in which case I go over all of this and more, comment the word guide down below and we'll be happy to send it out to you. Or you want to hop on a quick call, apply in the link above in the bio. Peace.